Hi, hello everyone, welcome to Aplex 2023. We have with us the SELEVISCO9000. It's a viscosity and a temperature controller for inks, adhesive, varnish coatings, glues, so on and so forth. Alright, so this is our demo unit. What we have here, this is the sensor. Okay, this is the heart of the system. So the measuring head is in this box, and it's the measuring head, what we call it, is a lamella. It works on the vibration principle. So as the viscosity of the ink increases, the vibration frequency reduces. And then the proportionate solvent is added then to the ink, and the viscosity is maintained. So it's a viscosity and a temperature control system. What we have here is the controller. So depending on the number of stations, that many controllers will be there. All the functions and everything are in this controller, and earlier the operator had to work going in this controller and making the settings. But now we have developed our own HMI, okay, which is in-house, and all the settings and everything is right over here. So the operators, they don't have to take any photographs or screenshots of the controller, the parameters, the settings. I'll just show you how easy it is to access. So everything is here, C1. So this is a demo unit of assuming that there's just one station. So as more stations will be added, there will be more keys representing the station. So right now let's go on the settings, which is also password protected. Sorry, 102. Yes. So see, all the settings are over here. Okay, so whether it's the cycle time, whether the correction, the gain, everything can be operated by the operator from here. And if there are any if there's any issue for whatever reason, we have a remote support. So our engineer, wherever the system is, we can access it remotely online and restore the original settings or make the necessary changes. Then the viscosity, the actual and the set point, the temperature, actual, set point, everything is given right here. Okay, the ink color is also over here. So depending on the station, the ink color can be mentioned, and even the calibration, which has to be done just once, so that is also over here. So the other thing, now let's do a demo of how the system works. So see, so this is an example of how the solvent will be added. So now the cycle time is around 15 seconds. So again, after 15 seconds, one more injection of the solvent is happening. See. So basically, folks, this was just a demo. Okay, in reality, both these tanks have water. Okay, so the actual and set point, the values will not change. But assuming if this was ink and this was solvent, okay, and as the viscosity in the actual and the set point, if there was a variation, that means the ink is becoming more viscous. As per your cycle time and as per your set point, the proportionate solvent would have been added as just shown. So that's how this system works. So 5 key features of the viscosity control, the SELEVISCO9000. First of all, it's very, very precise. So it has a measuring time of 0.1 second, okay, making it extremely precise. Second thing is, it's extremely maintenance free. There are absolutely no moving parts in this, making it unsusceptible to maintenance. Third point is that the measuring range is from 9 seconds to 120 seconds. Sorry. So that's why you can do the viscosity and the temperature control for inks, glues, adhesives, varnish, coatings, many liquids. Then the fourth is that then it's got auto flush. I mean, it's got auto cleaning. So whatever solvent is being circulated, so that is only used to clean the measuring head. So that's why it's always the readings are always very precise. And lastly, the solvent drop timing can be customized. So right now it is around 10 seconds. But if you like that the valve be open for 15 seconds or 5 seconds, depending on your job, depending on the type of inks you use, that can also be completely customized. So there you have it, folks. 5 key salient features of the SELEVISCO9000. Okay, and most importantly, you will always get your solvent consumption. Solvent consumption is a silent killer, especially in rotogravure printing. But if at every job, every shift, if you can get the solvent consumption, then you know the efficiency of any particular job, the behavior of the inks, so on and so forth. So these are the features what the SELEVISCO9000 provides. Thank you very much.